The North River makes its start in the Allegheny Mountains, northwest of Stanton, Virginia. It flows into the valley and meets up with the South River to form the South Fork of the Shenandoah River.
At the state level, the North River is a part of the Shenandoah-Potomac watershed. At the local level, the North River is a part of the North River watershed.
This map shows the location of the North River watershed in Virginia and the Shenandoah Valley. It is found in both Augusta County and Rockingham County and includes the cities of Stanton and Harrisonburg. The watershed is 523,298 acres.
This map shows the local watersheds as well as the tributaries of the North River watershed. It also depicts the main North River channel as well as the segment that is classified as impaired.
The stressors affecting the North River are most often a result of the watersheds that are located upstream. These watersheds have existing total maximum daily loads for pollution, and the Department of Environmental Quality believes that implementing TMDLs in those watersheds will control the stressors. The DEQ determined in 2004 that it is still impaired but no longer in need of TMDLs.
One of the main stressors to the river is nutrient levels. Phosphorus and nitrogen levels are high due to crop and animal agriculture. High nutrient levels cause algal blooms, eutrophication, and high dissolved oxygen concentrations, which have negative impacts on surrounding wildlife. Another stressor on the river is the high amount of sediments. Agricultural runoff, residential runoff, forestry, construction sites, and a lack of riparian vegetation are all contributing factors. Sedimentation results in the loss of habitat for macroinvertebrates and affects the stream structure. Bacteria, specifically E. coli, is a stressor on the North River. Wastewater treatment facilities, agriculture, manure from livestock, and waste from wildlife are all sources of bacteria and is a hazard to wildlife as well as local residents.
The regulation of the North River shows that implementing multiple best management practices can mitigate the effects of environmental stressors. BMPs such as biological nutrient removal by wastewater treatment facilities, fencing out cattle from streams, planting riparian buffers, and grass waterways have already significantly improved the water quality of the river.
Blue Hole is a recreational area popular with both students and local residents. They often come here to swim as well as camp, and this means that they often leave behind trash as well as use resources such as wood to start fires. This has the potential to pollute the watershed as well as have adverse effects on the local wildlife.
The human impacts on the recreation area are managed through law enforcement and rules posted on signs. These rules are meant to reduce human impacts, but more often than not, they're ignored. The following clip exemplifies this.
When we arrived to the area, the first thing we encountered was a deer carcass that appeared to be roadkill and was left behind once its antlers had been removed. As we continued our walk, there was trash strewn throughout the forested area, which included bottles, trash bags, and tires. More needs to be done within the community in order to address the issue and enforce the law.
As the water from the North River eventually flows into the Chesapeake Bay watershed, improving the water quality here in Harrisonburg is an important step we can take to improving the Chesapeake as a whole.